Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today is going to be phenomenal. We are going to do some chicken wings, but they're going to be Honey Sriracha Garlic chicken wings on the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. Here's a sneak peek. Alright guys, so this is what we got. We have 14 drumettes and flats in here. And make sure you rinse your chicken and pat them dry. And all we're going to do now is simply season them up with whatever your favorite stuff is. I have some garlic salt, some coarse black pepper, and for my buddy Rich's River Dirt Hot and Spicy. So let's go ahead and get these things seasoned up for you. Alright guys, there you go. So we got all this seasoned up. Let's go ahead and get the flour prepared. Alright guys, so here we added 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch right there. Add whatever you like. I'm going to add probably half a tablespoon of some more garlic salt, and about half a teaspoon of some pepper, because we already got that on there. Good there. That's what we're looking like. And literally just shake it up. Alright, after that's done, it's time to incorporate our chicken into our flour and cornstarch mix. Now you can use a regular Ziploc bag if you like. I just like using this because it has a top. And go ahead and give it a good shake. Alright, and once you're done, you should end up with something looking like this. Alright, let's go ahead and transfer our chicken onto our Power Air Fryer Oven Elite racks. Alright, now that we're all done with this, we're going to go ahead and meet you guys over at the air fryer. Alright guys, we're at the air fryer. I already got 1 rack in the bottom. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and put the other rack at the top. Just like that. Close the door. Turn the power on. We're doing 375 degrees. For 10 minutes, and we'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Alright guys, after 10 minutes, open it up and rotate the racks. It's been 10 minutes, so top to bottom, bottom to top. Right back in, and we're going to do another 10 minutes. Alright, that's another 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes has passed, and these are looking absolutely amazing. I don't know if y'all can see those. Anyway, we got about 7 minutes left. So this one's on the top. Look at those, man. Bottom rack, and then middle rack, just like that. And close this up. We're going to give it 7 more minutes, and we're going to call this thing good. Alright guys, there we go. The last 7 minutes, let's take a look and see what we got here. Oh my goodness. That is just crispy, awesome chicken. All of them. Super good. Alright, we get the sauce whipped up, and we'll meet you at the cutting board. Alright, here I have 3 tablespoons of honey, a 1/4 stick of butter, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, you can use fresh if you want, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce. All you got to do is let this come to a simmer. Once it starts simmering, shut it off and you're ready to put your wings in it. Alright, the sauce has come to a simmer after about 5 minutes. Quick stir, turn it off. Looks good. Set it aside, give it a couple minutes to cool off. Alright, sauce is done, wings are done. We're ready to dip these things in the sauce. I just want to kind of show you guys what the wings turned out like so you guys can see what's going on here. I mean, just amazing. So we're going to take these, dip them into our sauce, which is here. Give them a quick toss. Set them over on the plate. That's what we're going to do. And there you go, guys. A plate of awesome looking wings. Not only awesome looking, I mean awesome tasting wings. Let's see if we can get a close-up on this before we get a snapshot. I mean, incredible. Alright guys, so that's it. I got a few here just with no sauce, and that's it. We're going to take you back for the taste test. See you in a minute. Alright guys, we are done with the wings, and I just gotta say they look phenomenal. I wanted to try one for you just because I haven't tried them yet, and I just want to see. The flat is my favorite. I mean, drumettes are awesome too, but you know, final kind of look at what's going on here. I mean, we got a honey sriracha glaze on there. I mean, it's a done deal. Please try that recipe. Tweak it however you want, add a little something, take away a little something, but sweet, a little bit of spicy, and just awesome. So guys, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the bell for notifications so you can get all my future videos. And with that being said, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this, and we'll catch you guys on the next cook. Thanks for watching.